What's the new thing on the block?
Well, some of you might remember about a year ago, just over a year ago, about 15 months back, I was out the country and I wanted to play a puzzle game. And I couldn't find a game to play. So I made this in a couple of days. This is Zooblocks. You guys can't hear it, so I've turned the sound effect and music down. And if you want to know how to play it, that's how you play it. If you want to know the settings, here's the settings. If you want to know who made it, there's me. You can download this from itch.io. And it's a very simple match 3 game, right? So it's using Godot's nodes and physics system to run everything here. I'm not telling it when something beneath you vanishes, drop. These are all rigid bodies, and they're also buttons. And the game state isn't tracking what's on the level. When I press this parrot is going to check in all 4 directions. If this tile has the same picture as the parrot, then add it to the group if it's not already in there. After a certain amount of time, everything in that group is told either vanish or clear yourself from that group, depending. So it's a very simple match 3 game, and it just randomly selects tiles from Kenny's packs with 3 songs, lots of cute sounds. And I was thinking, well, we've just finished a really big course. How about a little course? So I've made how to make Zooblocks as a nearly 3-hour course, a very short little course. In it, we're going to be learning some declarative techniques. So instead of like copy the game state into code, monitor that, figure out where you are based on an array or a dictionary of arrays, we'll just let the game handle it, right? We're not going to tween animations to get that bounce. We're just going to let the physics bodies handle it. We're going to make some googly eyes because you need to have googly eyes in the game. I think it's a new rule. So that's a very simple little, just under 3-hour course that we're putting up on Teachable. When are we doing that, Mikey?
I think you can push the go button right now.
Now, publish course.
Is it there? Is it there? Is it there?
It's there. So on our Teachable site right now, I'm not putting it on Udemy right now because they won't let us put a course at that price. But I will go to our page, Canopy Games, Canopy Games. You can pick up Zooblocks, which I will put in the chat.
It is live there now. I can confirm that.
It's a very simple thing. It's a short little course, but we cover things like the file grabber, which I put up free recently. We cover how to set up the play area. I can actually just look at the curriculum. I could just do this. Mikey, would you like to play the sales video?
Yes, I will do.
Okay, do that. I'm going to shut up.
I haven't got it ready. You carry on talking for a few seconds.
Mikey's got the sales video, so rather than do that. There's some things this game doesn't do. We don't have special power-ups. We don't have what you call it. We're not copying the game state, so the game's not going to give you hints as to what you should play next. Like, this isn't Candy Crush. Yeah. This is based on a game, Puyo Puyo, I played back in the 90s, like early 90s, my dad's Mac. Now Puyo Puyo has become an entirely different thing. It's like this competitive squad-based anime game. But at the time, it was just a simple match 3, clear as many as you can. It's more of a toy than anything else. I have never cleared it, but every time I play it, I keep playing it. And sometimes I switch off the music and the sound effects and I play it while I'm on a conference call with Mikey and don't listen to him. But don't tell Mikey that.
Are you ready for the video?
Let's do that.
Awesome. So,
hello, you wonderful Godot people. My name's Yam with Canopy Games, and I would like to teach you how to make this. This is Zooblocks. It's a quick, simple little puzzle game where players try and clear as many tiles as possible by selecting groups of 3 or more concurrent tiles. In this course, you'll learn how to make games like this using Godot's built-in physics engine and node system. We'll be making this as simple as possible by focusing on declarative coding techniques. What does that mean? It means instead of saying, here's the entire state of the game held in code, we're going to let Godot's node system and physics engine do that for us. So we won't be telling tiles when the ones beneath you have gone, move down like this. We're just going to let gravity do it for us. Some of the things we're going to cover include using scene inheritance to work from a single tile template to make many individual tiles, writing a quick little file grabber script to pick scenes and files from a directory so that you can select some at random, setting up randomized play spaces with as many different types of tiles as you like, using rigid bodies and buttons to make tiles, having each tile check to see if its 4 neighbors are in the same type when you press them, using pin joints to make googly eyes because googly eyes, and much more. If you're looking to make a simple match 3 game, or you want to learn how Godot's nodes and physics engine can simplify your game creation, why not take the Zooblocks course today?
Look at that smooth transition. I'm proud of that, I am.
As you should be. So yeah, that's our Zooblocks course. We figured 1 or 2 short little courses that people can take if they're interested in the meantime, while we get the big courses ready. Like, we'd love to keep making big courses, but sometimes you just want to make something simple.